third graders this week, you're going to be multiplying by 8. And let's go through your 8s together. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. 10 times 8 is 80. 11 times 8 is 88. And 12 times 8 is 96. So one of the things that we have worked on this year when we're learning your multiplication facts are ways to break down some of these problems to make them easier to do. So we all know that anything times 1 is that number. So 1 times 8 is always going to be 8. If we get to 16, that's a double. So 1 times 8 plus 1 times 8, or 8 plus 8 is 16. But 3 times 8 is 24. I can go 1 times 8 plus 2 times 8 because the 1 and 2 equal 3. 4 times 8 is 32. I can go 2 times 8 plus 2 times 8. So I know that 2 times 8 is 16 and another 16. 16 and 16 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. So I can say 1 times 8 plus 4 times 8. And I know that 4 times 8 is 32, and 32 plus 8 is 40. 6 times 8, I can go 2 times 8 plus 2 times 8 plus 2 times 8. And that's 16 plus 16 plus 16, and 3 16s is 48. Or I could say 3 times 8 plus 3 times 8, and 24 and 24 is 48. Let's look at 7 times 8. I can say 1 times 8 plus 3 times 8 plus another 3 times 8. So I have 8 plus 24 plus 24. And I know that 24 and 24 is 48, and 48 plus 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. I can break that down to 4 times 8 plus 4 times 8. And I know that 4 times 8 is 32, and another 32 is 64. 9 times 8, 72. I can say 1 times 8 plus 4 times 8 plus 4 times 8. And I already know that 4 times 8 is 32, and another 32 is 64, and 64 plus 8 is 72. 10 times 8 is 80. I can go 5 times 8 plus 5 times 8 because I know 5 plus 5 is 10, and that gives me my 80. 11 times 8 is 88. 1 times 8 plus 10 times 8. 10 times 8 is 80, plus 8 is 88. And then 12 times 8 is 6 times 8 plus 6 times 8. And I know 6 times 8 is 48. And another 6 times 8 is 48. And 48 and 48 is 96. I hope this helps you when you work on your 8s this week.